This video is going to explain how to undo a sent email in Gmail. When you send an email, you are given a few seconds to actually undo that email. I've created this email and I'm just going to demonstrate how you can undo it if you send it by mistake or you realize that you need it back. So you click send and the undo message comes up and you click undo and it is not sent. So by default, the system allows you 5 seconds to be able to do that. But I'm just going to show you how to increase that time so that when you send an email by mistake, you can actually undo it. Well, what you do is you go to the settings to the top here and then click see all settings. After you do that, you then scroll down to where it says undo send. It only appears for 5 seconds, but we want to put it for 30 seconds. This gives you ample time to be able to undo an email that you have sent. Once you've done this, you go back to your inbox. Before you do that, you actually need to save these changes. Now I'm just going to demonstrate again using a second example. Now we have actually 30 seconds to be able to undo an email. So right now I'm just going to send this email. So you notice this undo button is not going to go away for quite some time. We have set it to 30 seconds. So within those 30 seconds, I can click undo and the email will not go to the recipient. So this is a very useful function, and this is how you make use of the undo function when sending emails in Gmail.